command I'm going to use. Okay, based on the OS family, I want to decide the package name so that a single state file can be used for both operating systems. This is one way of doing it. There is another way of doing it that we will do it next. So first, let me modify the salt file so that it will work as platform. Actually, it is platform diagnostic, but because of the package name change, we have this issue. So let us modify the file. I'm going to modify it. Instead of giving a separate name for the task, I am going to pass the package name in the task. You can use the if conditions here. So it will be opening the curly bracket, percentage if grains grains OS underscore family OS family to equal to n. Close the percentage symbol, close the thing. I'm going to define the name as Apache 2. So this name will be inherited to the package resource. I'm going to use a else if ELIF else if ends OS underscore family 2. This is very case sensitive. Red Hat is in the R and HR in capital. Red Hat percentage, close the page, close the bracket. Okay, and HTTP D. So the package name will be the header now, and I'm going to end the if condition. So this will become the header of the state file. Delete all these things. Package is the module I want to do, and there the input for this will be fund alt. Then next is the service name is also the same, so I can use it service, and I want it to be in the running state. Okay, so let me try to run this. But here instead of the CentOS, I'm going to give it star. It can work on both Ubuntu and CentOS. Let's try that. Yeah, you can see that while it is running on the CentOS, it has taken the package name as HTTPD based on the if condition. When it is running on the Ubuntu, it has taken it as Apache 2. Okay, so let me share it with you guys. So this is one of the simplest way to achieve the condition. Inside the state file itself, you are having a if condition based on the grind value. It is going to decide the package name, and for that package name, I'm going to use it